Oh, worship thy King, oh glorious above, oh gratefully sing his power, his love, our shade and defender, the ancient of days. Marvel in splendor, ungated we praise. Oh, tell of his might, oh, sing of his grace, whose robe is the light, whose canopy space. His chariots of wrath, they did turn dark clouds warm, and dark is his path on the winds of the storm. The bountiful care, what tongue can reset? It breathes in the air, it shines in the light, it streams from the hills, it descends to the plain, and sweetly dictates in the dew and the rain. Frail children of dust, and fabulous frail, indeed do we trust, nor find it to fail. Thy mercies how tender, how firm to the end, our Maker, defender, redeemer, friend.